fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Lost in time, racing on these broken dreams tonight. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
All right, guys, gonna wrap the video up here, but before I do, I want to give a big shout out to Junior at Outcast Automotive 864. That's his Instagram. He's has a local paint shop in town, and he's been helping me out with everything, and it's just been an awesome experience. The cars look great. Can't thank him enough. If you guys are in the Greenville or Spartanburg area, give him a shout out. If you need your car painted, give him a call. And yeah, he responds better on Instagram, so I'll put his Instagram right here, and you can get in touch with him if you're in this area. But I'm going to talk about the car a little bit now, and we're going to talk about some things that I want to do to it. If you guys notice, I took those headers off. Most of the muffler shops around here were closed and couldn't get a chance to get back to one, so I just put the stock one back on for now until I get a chance to weld the one, hook up and weld the exhaust from the one that came with the car. And got a little $40 eBay intake. And yeah, I need to go through and clean the engine bay up a little bit. Since I've been sanding and doing so much body work, it's gotten a little bit dirty. I also want to do the headlights as well, polish them, clean them up. And I'm probably going to paint that front lip. I don't know, I'm probably going to paint it yellow, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking about, if you like the blue wheels on the car, let me know. But I was thinking about painting them black. I think the black would go good, but I kind of like the blue wheels. If I leave the wheels blue, I'm gonna paint the lip yellow and maybe put some more blue accents on the car. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll go from there. I still need to fix the window trimming and stuff like that, and I need to put the windshield molding on. But guys, you know what? For a cheap project car, if you guys haven't seen that list, I put the list before this clip. Go check out, the list, and that's going to show you exactly the dollar amount that I have into this car, and it's really not that much. So we're going to wrap the video up here, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.